Hello everyone, welcome to part 4 of my burping. This fun series-ish thing. I hope my hair looks fabulous, and I know it does. I'm always fabulous, except for the mornings. Well, I got more Mountain Dew, which you know what that means. Burping! Itchy. Well, I think there's ice, what? There's ice in it, so it sounds like a maraca. Okay, let's get to it. That was weak. Compared to all the other burps I've had in my previous videos, that was weak. These aren't good burps. I think the ice in it has melted. I think it's gonna water. I think not to burp. Piece of ice. I don't like ice at all. Gross. Unless I'm like really hot and it's like summer or something, I'll eat ice. Not like a giant cup of it like my mom used to. She doesn't anymore. But I'd probably like to eat an ice cube because of how hot it is. One more go. Not end the video. Which some of you probably do not want. Oh, frick. And I'm out of Mountain Dew. Rest in peace, Mountain Dew. 2017 to 2017. It's all time, everyone.